Welcome back to CAD engineering tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to navigation your 3D model. This is very important tutorial for beginners and advanced users. So let's jump into the main video. So first one is why you will be learn navigation. What is the important it? So keep in mind the key to fast and accurate 3D modeling in SolidWorks. You would be or you have to be use master navigation or view control. So next one is how to navigation mouse controllers. If you are using touchpen your laptop, so I'm just suggest to you it will good for you. You can do use 3 buttons of mouse for navigation. So first one is rotate. So how to rotate your model? So press scroll bar in your mouse and now it is move. Also your model is move. Here is a model is rotate, also move. So next one is pan. How to pan your that's mean how to move your model. Press Ctrl key your keyboard, press Ctrl key, also press your scroll bar in your mouse. Now it is available pan options. Now it is move. So it is very easy for you. So next one is zoom in, zoom out. So how to zoom in, zoom out with mouse? Press your scroll bar and it is move rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. Clockwise rotate, now it is zoom out. Anti-clockwise rotate, now it is zoom in. So our next one is keyboard shortcut. That is very important for your navigation. So first one is I'm just introduce SolidWorks view orientation. Here is a view orientation. Here is a top view. Here is a left view. Here is a front view. Here is a right view. Ctrl+4. Back view, Ctrl+2. So single view and 2 view horizontal. Now it is 2 view horizontal. Need single view, just click single view. Now it is back view, it is back view. So now Ctrl+1, it is front view, automatically view front view. Now Ctrl+2 and it is back view. How to use left view? Ctrl+3, now it is left view. And need right view, Ctrl+4, right view. Need top view, Ctrl+4, top view. Now bottom view, Ctrl+6. Now isometric view. Here is isometric view. Here is isometric view. But we will use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+8. Ctrl+7. Sorry, Ctrl+7. Now it is isometric view, isometric position. Now it is isometric position, and Ctrl+7 isometric position. Now it is normal to open. Ctrl+8. It is normal to open, or you can use a normal to open as you wish. And now I am going to zoom to fit. Here is zoom to fit, offset toolbar, offset head toolbar in SolidWorks, zoom to fit. Now it is zoom to fit. Here is zoom to fit, but we can use just press F key. Now it is zoom to fit. Zoom to fit, click F key, zoom to fit. Now we are going to introduce heads up view toolbar. This is very important in navigation. Here is a heads up view toolbar. Zoom to area. If you are use mouse curver or use zoom to area, you are need this point to zoom. Just here heads up toolbar, click zoom to area and marking. Here is zoom to area. Now zoom to fit and previous view. Again zoom. If you are need this point in zoom, just marking and it is zoom to area. Now it is need to previous view, just heads up view previous view toolbar, Ctrl+Shift+Z or previous view tool. So now it is work. Now going to very important display styles. It is very important for navigation. Here is a 3 types of tiles. 1 tiles, 2 tiles, 3 tiles, 4 tiles, 5 tiles. Here is a hidden lines remove. Hidden line removes. Display tiles. Hidden line visible tools and wireframe tools. Just model view with wireframe. So as you wish, you can use. Now going to your model perspective shadow. If you need perspective shadow, just here perspective with shadow. Now it is looks with shadow. As you wish. Here is a perspective view. Here is a 3 types of view, 4 types of view: shadow, in shaded mode, ambient, occasion, perspective mode, cartoon mode. Here is a cartoon mode. As you wish. If you are need, press here. So next one is mouse gesture. Mouse gesture, right click. Here is a tool. 1 tool, 3 tools, 4 tools, 5 tools, 7 tools, 8 tools. There are 8 tools you can use from here, or you can use heads up toolbar as you wish. Now it is going to move and zoom in, zoom out. Also use you can use mouse or use your keyboard, just press shift and press Z, it is zoom in, or just press Z without press shift, now it is zoom out. So this is very important tools for your navigation. And also you can sense your background with proper navigation. Use plain white, now it looks good. So now that's it. It is pro video for your navigation tools. So thanks for watching. If you are satisfied, please do subscribe and click on button, hidden button. Well, thanks for watching.